We've written to fridgefreezer manufacturers urging them to stop using non-flame retardant plastic backing in their appliances. We believe this material could pose a safety risk in people's homes. Do you back our call? We've reviewed cold appliance safety and have significant concerns about the safety of some models of fridges, freezers and fridge freezers on the UK market. Fridge freezers. Some fridge, freezer and fridgefreezer models use non-flame retardant plastic backing material, which we believe poses a fire risk. While this material isn't the cause of the fire itself, there's a growing body of evidence that indicates the risk of a fire spreading is greater with non-flame retardant plastic-backed models. People who already have one of these models in their homes shouldn't be alarmed, as refrigerator fires are extremely rare. However, our advice is that no one should purchase a new fridge freezer with a non-flame retardant plastic backing. To help with the purchasing of a new fridge, freezer or fridge freezer, we're now highlighting information about the type of backing material type on our website and noting those we have concerns about. Check the flame retardant models here. Fridge reviews, freezer reviews, fridgefreezer reviews. Safety regime. In light of our concerns, we believe the current British standard on cold appliances is inadequate. And following our review of cold appliances, we've written to manufacturers asking them to do the right thing and voluntarily end the production of these appliances. We're also asking them to help us bring in a tougher safety standard on fridges and freezers that will no longer allow potentially flammable backing material to be used. It's important that standards evolve to reflect new evidence, and companies must act swiftly in the best interests of consumers. This once again shows that the UK's product safety regime is simply not fit for purpose, and the government can no longer continue to allow it to fail. We want the government to urgently set up a new national body to take responsibility for ensuring manufacturers keep households safe. Do you want manufacturers to stop producing cold appliances with non-flame retardant plastic backing loading?